What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekejt here. You already Tyrekejt, I'm about to do something wild. I'm heading to my car right now to get my tripod to do this video for you all. Alright, so guys, let me get the tripod. Let me get the tripod. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekejt. Welcome to another video. If it's the first time seeing my beautiful, lovely afro. I don't normally have an afro. I'm getting the curls back tonight. Anyways, what's good in YouTube? The boy Tyrekejt there. No, you don't know, this is like my second time experiencing snow. But anyways, the Maga man. Yep, I'm going to do it for real. This is not clickbait. Standing in the snow for 10 minutes straight. So gone 1 minute now. I'm at work, by the way. This is my work fit. Lord, what go on here, so? Guys, from now I'm telling you, smash the like button there. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And see me I say, no want to choose the work shirt. You don't know things that I did. Oi. Alright. Bomb buckle, I'm cool. No man, not good. Oi. Alright people. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel from now. Yo, the man that no homo, pause, don't pre me. You see me I say. Anyways. Alright. Wait. See people, business out. Leave it alone. Hallelujah. And when I get sick out there now. Yo, we're right by the roadside dog. Watch us there. We're right to the roadside. You that you know? Yeah, you that you know. Go that's a step. What going on? So I can't keep it. I'm not going to carry now, so I take out my key. I'm key there. Back. Oh, blood key back. Rascal. No. Alright. Oi. Blood clot dog. Are you that you know? Why supposed to look for me? So watch a biggie that boy. Alright. God, we look like a map dog. Yo, no man, much ways my guy. Let me even got no time yet. I just 3 minutes dog. Too sickly. I walk go on the sun, come back. No, everybody's supposed to have them car pre me. So watch that biggie that in the snow. You know dog. Watch them people in them car look for me. So biggie that boy. The cold about them don't come in yet people. I don't know what going. The cold about them don't start sinking yet. Oh gosh. But it's a beautiful day outside. The people will call the police for me and come and walk around and no shirt. Watch it. I'm crazy, you know, dog? I should people over here start praying me. This kitty man. Much means we're gone. For bumbo clean, dog. Watch my footstep. I mean all of that, you know.